Still by Mr. Tion, pass to Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo long pass to Mr. Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez, pass to Mr. Skoll. Mr. Skoll, what a fake. Mr. Skoll, no good. Rebound by Mr. Tion. Follow through. Nice to win Mr. Tion. Mr. Cuervo dribbling the ball. Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo from the Rainbow Country. Bang! Oh no no! Stress! Nice difference. Pass to Mr. Rodriguez. Pass to Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo na mamarali. Mr. Cuervo pass to Mr. Skoll. Reverse niya. Buta ng inabot. Pero follow up ni Mr. Skoll. Nice difference. Mr. Skoll. An air ball. Mr. Goray, long pass to Mr. Apelokya for 2. Sir, yes sir, nice difference. Mr. Taray, walang katawa-tao. Dugod, kunakuha ni Mr. Cabellon. Mr. Cabellon ang mamarali. Mr. Cabellon. Mr. Cabellon pass to Mr. Lopoy. Nice difference, Mr. Lopoy. Still Mr. Cabellon naman. Mr. Cabellon. Mr. Cabellon pass to Mr. Lopoy. What a fake. Mr. Lopez. Nice puta na ang inabot. Nakuha ni Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo gusto kumayan. Nice difference. Mr. Cuervo. Remento. Mr. Nandamento sumalaksak. Still by Mr. Nambatak. Mr. Nambatak na umarali. What a pirouette. Nice difference. Mr. Nambatak. Save to Mr. Tion. Mr. Tion. Pass to Mr. Rodriguez for 3. No good. Rebound Mr. Tion. Follow up. Sir. Yes sir. Nice difference Mr. Shumay. Mr. Castelio. Pass to Mr. Taray. Step back for 2. Bang! Difference. Pass to Mr. Taray. Mr. Taray nagmamalay. Mr. Taray very diretso. Nice puta tangin namot. Substitution mo. Mr. Cuervo. Pass to Mr. Skoll. Pass to Mr. Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez sumalaksak. Nice sequence, Mr. Rodriguez. Mr. Goday, pass to Mr. Pailanco. Mr. Pailanco is still by Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo dumiretso. Mr. Cuervo, what a spin move. What a layup. Nice sequence, Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo dribbling the ball. Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo crossover. Mr. Cuervo pass to Mr. Skoll. Scoop layup. Nice sequence, Mr. Skoll. Dribbling the ball. Screen by Mr. Polgo. Mr. Mandamento for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Polgo. What a layup by Mr. Polgo. Sige. What a blind pass to Mr. Lopoy. Mr. Lopoy. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Skoll. Mr. Skoll for 2. Nice sequence, Mr. Skoll. Where is jersey number? Mr. Rodriguez, pass to Mr. Aguilar. Nice sequence, Mr. Aguilar. Mr. Mandamento Domerenzo, no good. Follow up by Mr. Pogo. Nice sequence, 25-19. Mr. Rodriguez, pass to Mr. Aguilar, pass to Mr. Skoll, complete up, nice sequence, Mr. Skoll. Rodriguez, what a side save, no good, nakuha ni Mr. Aguilar, what a fake, may sumabit. Mr. Aguilar, lasso. Sir, yes sir. Pero nakuha ni Mr. Goday for 2, no good. Nakuha ni Mr. Apelokya, nice sequence, Mr. Apelokya for 2, no good. Rebound by Mr. Nambatak, pass to Mr. Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez long pass to Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo nakatabi sa ere, nice sequence, Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Goday dumiretso, Mr. Goday. Pass to Mr. Taray, still by Mr. Skoll. Mr. Skoll pass to Mr. Aguilar. What a side step move by Mr. Aguilar. Nice sequence. Castelio. Mr. Castelio pass to Mr. Goday. Mr. Goday, 10 seconds to shoot. Mr. Castelio for 2. Nice sequence, Mr. Mr. Nambatak. Mr. Nambatak to Meretso. What a pass to Mr. Tion. Nice sequence, Mr. Tion. Rodriguez. Mr. Rodriguez nakita sa kauban. Pass to Mr. Tion. Pass to Mr. Lopoy. What a fake. What a shot. Nice sequence, Mr. Lopoy. 56. Mr. Goday dribbling the ball. Mr. Goday to Meretso. Gusto pumawi. Nice sequence, Mr. Goday. Nakuha ni Mr. Lopoy. 20 segundos. 20 segundos. Nakuha ni Mr. Pegado, pass to Mr. Cabellon. Nice sequence, Mr. Cabellon. 5 seconds. Nice, 2 points, Mr. Picato dribbling the ball. Still by Mr. Mandamento. Mr. Mandamento. What a scoop clear. Nice, 2 points, Mr.
Pass to Mr. Nambata. Pass to Mr. Picato. Pass to Mr. Skoll. Mr. Skoll. Pass to Mr. Lopoy. Nice, 2 points, Mr. Lopoy.
Sabi ng kalma. Pass to Mr. Goday. Mr. Goday. 8 seconds to shoot. Mr. Goday. Nice. 2 points. Pass to Mr. Mandamento. Mr. Mandamento. From the midway. No good. Pass to Mr. Cuervo.
Mr. Cuervo dumiretso. Walang katao-tao. Sir, yes sir.
Nice. Rodriguez dribbling the ball. Mr. Rodriguez. Pass to Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo. Mr. Cuervo pumukol lang 3. Bang! 1, 2, 3. 10 seconds. 2 minutos. 10 segundos. Score 47-29.
Alip to Mr. Lopoy. Nice, 2 points, Mr. Lopoy.
Mr. Mandamento. Behind the back. Mr. Mandamento to the derecho. No good. No good, Mr. Mandamento. Follow up by Mr. Mandamento. Pass to Mr. Castillo. Mr. Castillo for 3. No good. Rebound by Mr. Mandamento. Mr. Mandamento. Nice 2 points, Mr. Mandamento. Mr. Cuervo dribbling the ball. 6 seconds to shoot. Mr. Lopez. Nice 2 points, Mr. Lopez. Last one. 30 segundos. Mr. Castillo for 3. Bang! 1, 2. Ten seconds to shoot.